In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the low beam headlight bulbs on this Mitsubishi Lancer. These are going to be attached to the headlight assemblies. Let's get into it. And you want to reach in behind the headlight assembly. Now grab the bulb. You just want to twist it to the left. Pull the bulb out. You have a connector right here. Just get underneath the connector. Just disconnect the connector, pull the bulb out. Take the new bulb. Make sure you don't touch the glass part of the bulb. It's a good idea to wear gloves just in case. And connect the connector. Lock it down. Line that up. Push it in place. Twist it on. This is a 9006 bulb. And to do the other side, the procedure is going to be the same.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.